This is part 2 of my Tron video in Fridley. Well, that's the end of the Tron. They don't put cabooses on Trons anymore. Those fucking bastards. I wish they put cabooses on Trons like they used to. That Tron's going pretty slow. And this is where the commuter Trons are going to start going by the end of this year. I can't wait to be riding Trons. And the new Fridley station is down over here. It's gonna be out, it's down there. And there's downtown Murderopolis over there. I don't know where the rest of this bike path is going to go after. Because somehow it's supposed to connect all the way down into the Murderopolis trails and things like that. I don't have the fucking time to try to figure that out right now. But the new North Star commuter Tron station is going to be right over there. I can't wait until there's Trons to ride. They're supposed to start this fall, hopefully.